Hi friends, Britney Kensmoe, Football Banker HTW. I'm so excited to share with you guys today. 102 E Jules Verne Way in Cary, North Carolina. This is an amazing home. It's beautifully updated and it's perfect for lifestyle and luxury kind of all blended into one. So we've got an agent open house today. I wanted to make sure I shared it with everybody that I knew. It's too good to pass up. So I would love you guys to come take a peek. It's really great. Check it out.